Twende kwetu.
Wakenya warudi Kenya. Wakenya warudi Kenya.
At the usually busy Namanga border post, frustration and fury are rising. Hundreds of travelers and truck drivers were Thursday morning stopped from entering Tanzania, a move that quickly sparked demonstrations on the Kenyan side.
Sisi hatuna uhusiano wote na hiyo uchaguzi wa Tanzania, na imetupata kwa bahati mbaya kwamba imetuingizia hata sisi hasara.
Hii maandamano, wale wanaandamana wanakuja huku, vijana wanachanganyikana. So Wakenya wanaumia, hao maaskari wanarusha vitu huku Kenya, na inasababisha sana biashara iadhirike.
Residents accuse Tanzanian authorities of imposing what they call an unannounced restriction, blocking cross-border movement. The protest turned chaotic, with youth lighting bonfires and police moving in to disperse crowds. Shops and transport businesses were temporarily shut down as the tension escalated.
Ile njia utazuia kutoumia, usikaribia wapi? Pale kwa mpaka. Kenya ambayo imerushwa usikimbile ushuke, ukitaka kurusha wapi tena huko? Huko, sababu itakuumiza.
In response to the unrest, Interior Principal Secretary Dr. Raymond Omola warned Kenyans against attempting to cause chaos along the border points.
Anyone who might want to be engaged or participate in any form of protest or demonstrations, let's do what the law allows us to do.
Speaking in Mombasa, Omolo said anyone found breaching peace will be dealt with according to the law, adding that Kenya's security agencies remain on high alert to maintain law and order.
Our officers are competent enough to deal with any situations. If there will be any inconveniences in terms of movement of cargo and people, I believe that the officers at our points of entry and exit must be able to advise those who are moving.
With traders counting losses and travelers stranded, attention now turns to diplomatic and security channels between Nairobi and Dodoma to find a swift solution and prevent further escalation. With 2 people nursing gunshot wounds and business operations paralyzed, both governments are under pressure to de-escalate tensions and restore calm along Kenya-Tanzania border.
Imepita mpaka juu sasa, kama mpaka wa Kenya wanashutiwa, kuna wale walikuwa wanaangalia tu, hawako wanaenda kuingia kwa maandamano.
Authorities in both Kenya and Tanzania are expected to issue official statements on the situation at the Namanga border later tonight. Mike Kagwango, TV47, Nairobi.
Yes.
Twende kwetu.
Wakenya warudi Kenya. Wakenya warudi Kenya. Wakenya